Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. So actually my camera just turned off and I was just did a ritual with some really cool indigenous people who so they just did a whole thing with sage and I had the camera. I thought the camera was on. Maybe it's good that it wasn't because I don't know if I should have filmed it or not, but it was on my body and they did the whole sage thing. So and actually I bought something too, so I had that whole exchange too. So I'm just go back and just see if he does it again. He's doing it to somebody else, but he has like a nice ritual. Dang, it's like too bad that I missed all that stuff, that it wasn't filmed. Yeah, so he has all the sage here too. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Vaya bien.
Yeah, so bueno. Bueno. See, yeah, it's good. Yeah, me gusta. Yeah, the inhale and strong and spiritual. Spiritual is muy bien.
Toda la energía aguanta.
Sí.
Ya nos alcanzó conejo.
Yeah, that's right. And here too. Here, and here. And spiritual. También. Me gusta mucho. Gracias. Buena suerte. This one's also kind of cool too.
Ya te cuenta que estás, no, sí, y va a agarrar la mano.
No, ¿ves lo quieres ver, verdad? Ese y el otro.
Y en el 18.
She's cool. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Qué número calza, caballero?
No, es bonita, es muy suave.
Tengo talla 8, 28 centímetros.
Sí.
Let me...
Oh, that was so cute. Gracias. ¿Cuánto cuesta usualmente? 500 pesos. 500. 500. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias, señor. Buena suerte hoy.
Nosotros nos quedamos en el salón.
Tango, here, Tango. Hola.
Hola.
Gracias.
Pues preguntan entonces que sube el señor. Es que queremos ir
30
al
pues, caballero.
monumento de la revolución. Sí.
Ah, sí, 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 sí.
¿Se lleva para allá?
Sí, ya vamos para allá, son unas 2, 3 estaciones por ahí. ¿Dónde les avisamos?
Chiquinha, chiquinha.